Have you ever looked at someone else's life and felt small inside? Have you ever asked yourself, why is my life not like theirs? Do you know what it feels like to try your best, yet feel unhappy? Many people smile outside, but feel tired inside. They compare their life, their work, their progress, and slowly joy leaves their heart. But what if the problem is not your life? What if the problem is where your eyes are looking? This story is about gratitude and how it can change your life forever. If you've ever felt behind, jealous, or not enough, this story is for you. Once upon a time, there lived a young man named Jonah. Jonah was 27 years old. He lived in a small, quiet town near a river. The houses were simple. The roads were dusty. Life moved slowly there. Jonah worked as a shop assistant in a small grocery store. Every morning, he opened the shop at sunrise. He arranged rice, oil, soap, and sugar on wooden shelves. He smiled at customers, but inside his heart felt heavy. Jonah had a dream. He wanted a better life. He wanted to earn more money. He wanted respect. He wanted to feel proud of himself. But Jonah had a problem. He compared himself every day. While others from his school got good jobs, Jonah stayed in the shop. While his friends posted happy photos online, Jonah counted coins. While others moved to big cities, Jonah stayed behind. Every night he scrolled on his phone. He saw cars, he saw houses, he saw smiling faces, and with every picture, his heart grew smaller. "Why not me?" he whispered. "What am I doing wrong?" In the town, people noticed Jonah's silence. "He is a good boy," they said, but he is always unhappy. Even when Jonah had food, he felt poor. Even when he had health, he felt unlucky. Even when he had family, he felt alone. He did not know it yet, but his eyes were closed to what he already had. Days passed, weeks passed. Jonah worked hard, but his heart stayed tired. One day, bad news came. The shop owner reduced Jonah's pay. Sales were low. Life became harder. That night, rain fell heavily. Jonah walked home slowly. His shoes were wet. His thoughts were dark. At home, he sat alone in his small room. The light was weak. The walls were empty. Tears filled his eyes. "I work hard," he said softly, "but nothing changes." The next morning, Jonah did not go straight to work. He walked toward the river instead. The water moved calmly. Birds sang in the trees. There, he met an old man. The man sat on a stone holding a small bag. His hair was white. His eyes were warm. "Good morning," the old man said. Jonah nodded. They sat in silence. After some time, the old man spoke again. "You look tired, my son." Jonah sighed. "My life is small," he said. "Others have more. I have nothing." The old man smiled gently. He reached into his bag. He took out 2 small seeds. "One seed is called comparison," he said. "The other is called gratitude." He placed the seeds in Jonah's hand. "They look the same," Jonah said. "Yes," the old man replied, "but they grow very differently." "If you water comparison," the man continued, "it grows into anger, jealousy, and sadness. If you water gratitude," he said slowly, "it grows into peace, strength, and joy." Jonah looked confused. "But how?" he asked. "I have real problems." The old man pointed to the river. "Do you thank the river for water? Do you thank your legs for carrying you? Do you thank today for being alive?" Jonah stayed silent. "Most people look at what they lack," the old man said. "They forget what they already hold." Then the old man stood up. "Choose which seed you will water," he said, and he walked away. Jonah sat there holding the seeds. His heart felt heavy, but curious. That night, Jonah could not sleep. The old man's words stayed in his mind. For the first time, he understood. He was feeding comparison every day. The next morning, Jonah made a small decision. "I will try gratitude," he said quietly. It felt strange at first, very strange. At work, his pay was still low, but he whispered, "Thank you for work." His feet hurt, but he said, "Thank you for walking." At night, he wrote 3 things on paper: food, health, a place to sleep. Some days were hard, very hard. One day, a friend bought a new car. Jonah felt the old pain return. His chest felt tight. He almost gave up. But then he remembered the seeds. It was hard, his heart resisted, but he kept going. Days passed, weeks went by. Slowly something changed. Jonah smiled more at customers. People smiled back. He stopped scrolling at night. He slept better. He noticed small things. Warm tea, cool air, kind words. 1 year later, Jonah was not rich, but he was calm. His mind was clear. His heart was lighter. A new opportunity came. A customer noticed Jonah's kindness. He offered Jonah a better job. Jonah accepted with gratitude, not pride. He did not rush. He did not compare. He simply worked. Years later, Jonah returned to the river. The water still flowed calmly. He saw the old man again. This time, Jonah smiled first. "My life changed," Jonah said, "but not because I got more." The old man nodded. "You changed where you look," he said. Jonah looked at his hands. They were strong. They were steady. In the town, people noticed Jonah's peace. They asked him, "What changed?" Jonah answered simply, "I learned to be grateful." He no longer felt small when others succeeded. He felt inspired. He no longer hated his path. He respected it. The circle was complete. Dear friend, every one of us holds two seeds inside: comparison and gratitude. What you water will grow. When you compare, you suffer. When you thank, you heal. Look at your life today. Breathe. Notice one good thing. Start there. Because the longer you wait, the heavier your heart becomes. Gratitude will change your life forever. If this story touched your heart, please like this video. Share it with someone who feels behind. Subscribe to this channel for more life-changing stories. We are here every week to learn and grow together. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.